Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how to earn crypto via YouHodler's crypto savings accounts. As the title says here, you can earn crypto up to 12% a year. I'll get more on that later, but for now I just want you to take a look at this landing page. This is the savings account landing page from YouHodler.com. And before you start, just take a look at all the information here because it'll tell you everything you need to know. A lot of good information here. But the point of this video is to show you how to actually deposit crypto and earn a nice stable income. Maybe you're sick of the volatile market, you're sick of the ups and downs. We all know the stories. This is a nice, safe, guaranteed way to earn on your crypto. And I'll show you how to do it right now. So let's get to work. So let's sign in first. Again, if you haven't signed in, you should sign up. It takes just a few minutes. I recommend it. Alright, now that we're in, you're going to want to navigate to your Savings tab. Here you go. You're going to see your stablecoin savings account options. We have USDT, USDC, PAX, TUSD, everybody's favorite. And for crypto, we have BTC and BNB. Now maybe some of you are wondering, what's this YBTC thing? I've never heard of that before. It's okay, relax, don't freak out. YBTC and YUSD are just our demo funds. They are used for demo only, meaning they are used for you to experiment on the platform. Get creative with it, try out new things so you can learn how the platform works without any financial risk. So I'm going to use the demo fund just for the sake of this instructional video. Now before I do that, you're going to notice that we have interest 12% a year, 12% a year, 12% a year. Bitcoin 4.8% a year. But up here, we have a little information bubble that says we provide active customers with higher interest rates. 12% on stablecoins and 7.2% on Bitcoin. Now to unlock that 7.2%, you may request an interest rate increase if you have active loans or turbocharge. So essentially what that means is if you're a new client to YouHodler and have not taken a loan, these are your standard interest rates on savings accounts. If you want to get 7.2% on Bitcoin, for example, then you must take some kind of loan, like a classic loan on YouHodler or a turbocharged loan. And after you do that, contact support will help you out. You'll get the higher interest rates, earn more money, everybody's happy. Okay, moving on. As you see, I have zero funds in my YBTC wallet, so let's change that. You're going to want to click this deposit button right here. And this is how you add funds to your savings account. So let's see, I'm going to add 0.1 because that's the minimum. And here are your savings account parameters. The monthly period starts there. Your savings account balance, these are your approximate yearly earnings. Keep in mind, important note, monthly interest payments are paid out monthly. So if you withdraw before the end of the month, before the payment period, interest for that month will be deducted. So you must wait until after each month to get the profit, and then you can withdraw. So just make sure you understand that first. And once you have agreed to the terms and conditions, check the box, add the funds. There we go. Now you'll see in my savings account, I now have this amount in my YBTC savings account. Right now I've earned nothing because it's only been a couple seconds. But check back in a month and you'll see the earnings. And then that's great. You can just sit back, relax, make your crypto work for you, be a little more of an active hodler instead of a passive hodler. Everybody wins. So yeah, that wraps up our savings account video. If you have any questions, please contact support. We're here 24/7 to help you. And look forward to talking to you. Thanks for watching.